Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set data limit for mobile hotspot on Android phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, you can open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll your screen a little bit until you find the connection setting. Tap on this connection setting, and here we can click on the mobile hotspot and tethering right here. Okay, and select the mobile hotspot option, and here you can set your data limit. You can tap on this mobile data shared today. Okay, and you can set your data limit right here by tapping on the set data limit button. Okay, and here you can enter your data limit that you want to set on your Android phone. And for example, I'm going to add 10,000 megabyte. Then we just need to click on OK after we're done. And if you want to read the instruction or the description, you just need to read it right here. When the data limit you set is reached, mobile hotspot will automatically turn off and all devices will be disconnected. And just click on OK. Okay, I know the data limit has been set, and that's how we can set data limit for mobile hotspot on Android phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.